Hey, how's it going today? Today I'm putting the Z back together after putting in the large turbocharger down there. There's the big GT3582. I'm just getting the intake manifold and everything, all the wiring harnesses and stuff plugged in, put the alternator back in, put the hoses and stuff back in, connect everything. Just thought I'd share an interesting little tip. Now you got these intake gaskets here, and if your old intake gasket is in good shape, there's a little way to help seal it better and recondition it so it's not so dry. Like if the intake gaskets are in good shape and they still got mating surfaces that are rubbery and everything, use a little petroleum jelly. A little petroleum jelly and a little brush. And you brush some petroleum jelly on the gasket surfaces on both sides, and it'll kind of give it a nice, a nice seal. Because when the engine warms up, that wet petroleum jelly will just help the gasket just grip a little bit better and, alleviate any little minor air leaks until the gasket seats in again and gets warm and cool a few times. It's just a little thing I do. Z's coming along. Looking forward to testing out the new GT3582 down there with look at that. Look at that turbo. Looking forward to testing it out. It's coming along little by little, getting her back together. I figure I'd just do a quick video, show you where I'm at with the Z31, and you guys have a great day and mad boosting.